Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my how-to channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican jerk chicken. Uh, First ingredient you're going to need is canola oil, as you can see here. Next, you're going to need one egg. I like to use the egg white for all those health conscious out there who have high cholesterol. It's best to use only the egg white. Next you have here is the Jamaican jerk seasoning. I use hot and spicy. You can use the mild if you like, to your preference, of course. And next I have here is the butter, or can't believe it's not butter. And finally, of course, we have here the chicken breast. Okay, well, I'm going to put the phone down and prepare the ingredients to be cooked, and I'll be right with you.